A new study published by the North American Menopause Society found that those following a plant-based soya-rich diet had a significant reduction in hot flashes. Now, why might this be the case? Certainly plant-based diets are important, but I think the most important part of this was the soya. Soya is known as a phytoestrogen. What are those? Well, the hormones in the body act like a lock and a key. And so estrogen naturally in the body will lock onto the specific receptors that need estrogen in the body. Phytoestrogens are plant-based foods that mimic natural estrogen in the body. They can lock on those receptors and exert a very low natural influence in the body, not as strong as normal estrogen, but certainly has an effect to potentially lower symptoms like hot flashes. You can eat other foods like soya that will have the same effect. This is celery, sesame seeds, pulses, legumes, and oats and cruciferous vegetables.